For thousands of years in the world, hair has been a symbol of beauty and health for humanity. However, at times we may encounter challenges like losing our hair as life unfolds. Hair loss can become not just a physical, but also an emotional and spiritual struggle. But life doesn't just want us to progress through challenges. Modern medicine offers groundbreaking solutions to overcome hair loss. Hair transplantation is one of these solutions. Hair transplantation can be a way to regain confidence and happiness. One of the most crucial steps in this process is consulting a reliable specialist and evaluating your options correctly. Hair transplantation not only restores your hair, but also can help you regain your self-confidence. Remember, every challenge also carries an opportunity. Hair transplantation can not only bring back your hair, but also mark the beginning of an inner transformation and rebirth. Life is here to strengthen us and make us stronger in the face of obstacles. Remember, every moment is a new beginning.